In the settings for preferences, there is also another function called advanced settings. These settings go a lot more into the detail of how the floor plan is organized. First of all, workstations. I can select, based on the company settings, the preferences of which desk to use. And this way you will see the size of the desk, but also the clearance. And you can choose which one you will start with. Then I can set parameters such as glass enclose the workspace. This means that the private offices will come with glass along the corridor. You can switch it on or off. Daylight constraints are settings that are depending on the country, and these are very often regulations. This means that if the daylight constraints are on, it's not possible to place work areas, closed or open, far from windows. In this example of this building, the work with daylight constraints on, work areas will only appear on this area next to the corridor. If you switch it off, work areas can appear everywhere across the floor. Enhanced precision is a setting that allows the algorithm to think longer and analyze better your request to try to generate a more compliant design. Clearance. Clearance is exactly what we were seeing before, that you can change, for example, let's say the parameters of the desk to desk, desk to wall, row to row, and the window offset. So you can change, for example, let's say distances from windows and set these parameters for this project. Area measurements, instead here, at the moment we have available RICS that is common across Europe and the UK, but also abroad, also in Asia. And then we have GIF that is typical in the DACH region